Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this 2x4 that I had. I cut it down to 6 inches, and I'm going to paint the whole entire thing black. And I did everything, top, bottom, back, sides. And I'm just making sure that I get that all covered really well. I did 2 coats of the black paint. Once I have it all painted and it's dry, I'm going to take this square of buffalo check fabric. I'm going to lay it over the top, and I kind of flipped up the bottom half of it so that it kind of made like a brim for a hat. And I'm going to glue that to the top of the 2x4. Once I have that all glued on, I'm just going to kind of gather it all up. And then I'm going to tie that with a piece of raffia. And I used 2 pieces of raffia actually. And I'm just going to tie it into a bow. And I'm going to leave some room in between the 2x4 and at the top. So just kind of tying it off in the center, making the bow how I want it, and then I'm going to cut off the excess. Once I have that all tied on there, I'm just going to kind of mess with it and get it to look the way that I want. Once I have that all on there and put the way that I like it, I'm going to take a chalk pencil and I'm going to draw 2 circles and I'm going to connect them together. I'm just kind of getting them even. And then I'm going to do a triangle facing the opposite direction. So like almost like a teardrop upside down. And then I'm going to attach that to the eyes as well. Next, I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to paint those eyes. So I did both of them white. And I am going to do 2 coats on those as well. And then let those fully dry before I go to my next step. Once I had the 2 coats on there, I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw 2 smaller circles inside of the 2 white circles. And these are kind of half circles because I'm just going to kind of do them right above where the nose would be and at the bottom of the eyes. So they're actually just missing their bottoms. Then I'm going to paint those each black. And again, those are touching as well. So just kind of fill those in. And make sure that they keep their round shape. And then once I have those done, I'm going to take the orange paint, and I use the color burnt orange, and I'm just going to do the nose or the beak. And that took 2 coats as well. Now I'm going to take some white paint. I flipped my paintbrush over. I'm going to use the handle and do 2 dots in those black spots, then 2 small white lines. I'm going to do 2 white lines on the beak, and then I'm going to add 2 black spots in the center of the beak as well. Once I have those all on there, I'm going to take this sunflower from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue that to the right side of the hat. And then I decided that I wanted to add a little V above his eyes, so I took some of my chalk and did a V. And now I'm going to take some paint and fill that in. So I just used my chalk pencil again, did the V, and now I'm just going over it with the white paint. Once I have that all finished, I'm just going to take my sanding block and sand off a little around the edges and kind of give it a rustic look. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love him. Now we need to give him a name. What do you think? Give me some ideas in the comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.